Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Kuthiwa ayaphela amathikithi we-Kaizer Chiefs versus Durban City. Cabanga labantu bazodlala Friday 7:30 or noma ngithi ngo-7:30, but amathikithi sokuthengiswe over 75%. Maybe by the time ngiposta le nto le kuyobe sokuthengiswe boma 80 something percent. Kusho ukuthi around 45,000 tickets sewathengisiwe. eThekwini bayalithanda ibhola kakhulu, bayafuna ukuyibona i-Kaizer Chiefs live. But I wanna start somewhere bafethu. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoSibongiseni uNkululeko bafethu, Ox Mthethwa, lo we-Kaizer Chiefs. Bebahambile baye naye laphana eScott la akhulela khona la afunde khona, and then uhambule umfowethu, nanokuthi izinto zinga-change fast kangakanani. Ngifuna nokukhuluma noBuchanan, if ngisho kahle igama lakhe umfowethu, uthi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs azange bamnike ithuba lokuthi adlale kahle. But asiqaleni ngomthetho bafethu ukuthi utheni laphana overall, nanokuthi abantu bakhomente bathini. Umfana wasentabamhlophe lona bafethu, even nabothisha bakhe bathi bekalithanda ibhola, bekayi-hard worker. And naye ushilo umthetho ukuthi guess what, baningi abantu beba-talented more than yena laphana eScott, but-ke coach yakhe ithe bekabashaya ngoba yena udlala ngenhliziyo. That's what I try to say kwesinye isikhathi. And uBrian Baloyi-ke wayisho le nto le ukuthi you need the heart, the hunger and the desire to win. Umthethwa ukuzimisela kwakhe to play with everything that he has, to give everything laphana egrawundini, yinto emenze waphumelela. Even though ama-odds bawa-against yena ukuthi umfana waseScott akazi nama-development, akazi lutho ukuthi impilo yakhe i-change fast kangakanani, segcine uzithola laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Even osisi wakhe laphana bakhulumile bathi azange bakholwe uma bambona e-TV laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, azange bakholwe, babejabule kakhulu, wonke umuntu ujabule. Even funny enough bathi nasesikoleni umthetho bekayi-A student. I don't think into abantu bebangayi-expect ukuthi umthetho bekayi-hard worker even nasesikoleni. Motivate abantu laphana iy'ngane esikoleni wathi-ke they have to work hard and give it your all, ngoba impilo unpredictable, ngeke wazi. Uyasho ukuthi ungathembela, uthi ngeke uthembele ithalente kuphela isikolo, but you guaranteed ukuthi when you work hard you're gonna get to pass at the end of the year. But-ke ithalente li-unpredictable. But yeah, it's a beautiful thing ukubona umfana like bengana-choice, benganawo nama-options amaningi. Out of like umamakhe wayethengisa esikolweni, umamakhe mekhuluma uyasho ukuthi wayethengisa esikolweni, bakhule kanzima, akafundi ukuqamba amanga, babehluphekela. But-ke ukuphumelela komfana laphana, I think kuyaba-release, bakunika leyo breather kancane ukuthi babe more relieved ukuthi nangu umfana uhleli le esicongweni bafethu ku-Khosi Nation. And even after ama-critics bayamcriticize kakhulu. I've also criticized them, but I'm also impressed about ukuthi he's not letting ama-criticism angene kuwe because of he's working hard. Laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs is working so hard inside the field of play. I-defense yakhe it might not be good mhlampe ey'nyaweni ukuthi smooth in terms of passing the ball, i-rotation, izinto ezinjalo, but-ke inhliziyo bafethu. uBrian Baloyi naye wakhuluma kanjalo mekhuluma ngoVuma, athi uVuma uthole ama-opportunities lese kuma-development abo-goalkeeper coach yonke into, but-ke i-performance yakhe hayi uyigwala, imletha down i-performance yakhe. Whereas uma ubheka umuntu ofana noMthetho akawazi ama-development, but he plays with the hunger and the heart. He give everything that he has to the game. Ithi uphela umdlalo ubone ukuthi uMthethwa he left it all inside the field of play, all. Ewa nebhola avuke, aluze, aluwine. What an inspiration. I think baningi abantu abangaba inspired by uMthethwa. Nanokuthi uqala ukudlala i-professional football, I think 5 years ago kuphela, cabanga 5 years ago. And emesho ukuthi I think uye lene eVenda, then waye eCape Town, waya ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kuvele kwaba fast kakhulu impilo yakhe. Yeah, ushilo ukuthi like ku-Kaizer Chiefs bam-welcome kahle kakhulu. Yeah, khona into ayishilo ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs beyilokhu imfonela or ba-reach-a out bezama ngempela ukumsayina, because bekungasi i-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela emfunayo. I remember this other interview uyasho ukuthi yena wa-choose i-Kaizer Chiefs because yi-team bekafuna ukuyidlalela nje overall. What a dream come true bafethu. Sithi aqhubeke njalo, bambiza uNkululeko kubo because igama linikwa ubabakhe, but igama lakhe thina esimazi ngalo uSibongiseni Mthethwa. But guess what, ekhaya kusekhaya phela, bakubiza ngegama leli bona abacabanga ukuthi anyway bambiza maybe igama lakababakhe because elakababakhe. Duma lelo lapho kubo, kudume lelo kakhulu because umama kuthiwa uNkululeko nje u-Ox. Okay, let's move. congratulations to Ox and everything that he has achieved. Kaizer Chiefs ngibonile, I think a few months back bebathi bafuna ukurenew i-contract yakhe because bayambona ukuthi uyiplayile ne-impact kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Aqhubeke njalo abe humble and give everything that he has to this beautiful game. Asingeneni-ke ku-Buchanan laphana ukuthi umfana uthi uBuchanan samkhumbula bafethu waye-midfielder laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi akanikwanga yena ama-opportunity laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi adlale. Uthi azange adlale aqale even 10 games laphana, 10 appearances laphana Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi waqala ama-game awu-7 nje kuphela overall. Uthi bheka ama-supporters ayalithanda ibhola, uthi sometimes-ke bakhuluma udodi, uthi leyo nto nje into enormal or noma ngithi into ejwayelekile. Uthi ezindoda kumele u-understand-e ukuthi ungathathi izinto personally as a professional sportman. Uthi you are supposed to be able to take ama-criticism. That's what abanye abantu abangayi-understand. You are on TV, you are a brand. In fact, you are a character to people who are watching, millions of people are watching you. Bonke abantu bazoba nama-opinion ngawe, hayi ukuthi wonke umuntu uzokufavor. So you have to be able to take it because wazibeka laphana. So if you don't want people to comment about you, might as well just hamba usebenze eShoprite ufane nathi ungaziwa. But because uma uphambi kwabantu, abantu bazosho noma ngabe yini abayicabangayo about wena. But uyaqhubeka laphana umfana uthi ungabuza laphana ama-best midfielders in the country for every team ake adlala against yona, uthi bazokutshela ukuthi bekungekho lula ukudlala against yena. Uthi ucabanga ukuthi ama-man of the match amaningi vele wawathola laphana medlala nama-big 3 wase-South Africa, which is Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns. Uke wadlala ku-Bloemfontein Celtic nakuma-Rensburg United. Ufila ngathi vele nayi lento le bekesho ukuthi akanikwanga opportunity. Uthi mebheka ama-player laphana adlalayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs kule position yakhe uyasho ukuthi wow, this guy against yena akanacha. Usho ukuthi ungcono kunala majita lawa adlala iposition yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs amanye. Uthi if wanikwa i-opportunity uthi there was no way ngabe u-Kaizer Chiefs bekazohlala around 10 years or so if wanikwa i-fair opportunity njengabanye abantu overall. But yena uthi bekangaleki i-ability yokuthi adlale, uthi i-effort emkhostile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs or i-effort yelaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi into emkhostile nje or ama-opportunities bekangawatholi ukuthi adlale. Uthi-ke uma ubheka nje ama-game lawa ebelaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs njalo bekanganikwa ama-opportunities. Uthi-ke sikhona lesikhathi vele azange aperforme lesi 3 to 4 games out of ama-game awu-80, but-ke still bekumele bamnike laphana ama-opportunities. Uthi uthi ku-Kaizer Chiefs yena azange afeyile because of akadlalanga na-10 plus games laphana. So angasho kanjani ukuthi ufeyilile abe nama-stats awu-7. So uthi-ke if maybe wadlaliswa more, maybe bekuzoba ngconywana ukuthi akwazi ngempela ukuziprova. So uthi bekazoziprova kanjani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ama-opportunities if bekangawatholi. Yeah. Actually pressure inkinga yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu too much. I don't think like we take it for granted kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi i-pressure yokudlalela i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs ingakanani bafethu because ujajwa abantu baningi kakhulu abantu abakujajayo. Nanokuthi wena mentally ukuphi because abantu mebefika laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs abanye bayazirelaxela. Sibabonile abantu abaningi, mina ngibabonile abantu abaningi banikwa ama-opportunities ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafike ba-relax khona, abasalwi, they're not giving their all, kupholiwe nje kusekhaya. Kanti uma ufika ku-Kaizer Chiefs the more kumele uthathe i-opportunity yakho ulokhu njani uyithathe serious ngempela bafowethu and then umisele nje overall. So it's sad ukuthi sibona amanye ama-player they are given so many opportunities to perform and to represent i-team. I mean i-team enkulu kangaka ebholeni lase-South Africa but wena ufike uyazirelaxela. Abantu ba-more concern or more focus koma-Instagram bafuna ukubona ukuthi batrende bakhulume nama-fans, they forget ukuthi kumele baperforme laphana egrawundini. I have seen so many players bafowethu and iyenzeka futhi lento namanje ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngizohlezi ngiyiphinda lento le ukuthi abantu baze bayizwe kahle. You can't be a professional player uhlezi ku-Instagram and ubheke ukuthi yini into etrendayo and then leyo nto le ik-affect. Wonke ama-player ku-Kaizer Chiefs or iningi lama-player ku-Kaizer Chiefs benza kanjalo. They focus more on ukutrenda nanokuthi kwenzakalani laphana inside the field of play. No, outside the field of play. Cabanga affectwa izinto ezingangeni nokungena egrawundini ezingahlangene ne-performance, well esihlangene ne-performance based on ukuthi abantu baya-criticize but-ke focusa egrawundini mfethu. If you see something, if uyazi ukuthi iyakucindezela indaba yokuthi abantu abaningi bakhomente under nanokuthi udlala kanjani, ungangeni at all ku-social media. Ungathandi i-social media because of izokulimaza mentally. So yeah man, amajita amaningi, that is why mina nginokusho ukuthi baningi abantu abangadeserve ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, baningi, because mentally they are not that strong. Mawusibheka umuntu ofana no-Ox, akanalo ithalente, half of the talent abanye abantu abanalo, but-ke uyadeserve ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs because of mentally u-strong, mentally u-fit, and uyi-warrior, uyafight. You-understand ukuthi him to be given that opportunity laphana Kaizer Chiefs i-blessing, and uyakwazi ukudeliver whenever is given that opportunity yokuthi akwazi ukudeliver. It's just about his game nokudlalela ibhola lakhe kuphela, hhayi okuningi. So lezi zinto lezi zama-online whatever, well uwumuntu at the end of the day uzombona la umbona khona, but guess what, uwumuntu nje ozifocusela ku-game yakhe ukuthi a-improve each and every game la edlalayo, and usiprova wrong. Abaningi usiprova wrong because of uyaphefoma njalo manje-ke. Wa-criticize-wa kakhulu, maybe ekugcineni naye wabhotama and-fork. Uya-understand ukuthi i-opportunity enje ayizi everyday ukuthi ukwazi ukudlalela i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs enkulu kangaka, urepresent abantu abaningi. Emotionally baningi abantu aba-emotionally attached to i-team. So representing i-Kaizer Chiefs, you have to be strong mentally. Into ayenzayo lapha no-Ox. Simfisela inhlanhla going forward, nanokuthi aqhubeke njalo, abe strong mentally, akwazi ukudeliver for i-team. Obviously akwazi ukuwuphatha kahle, cause I mean maku-Kaizer Chiefs ama-temptations maningi kakhulu bafethu. Ku-easy ukuthi uvele uphume endleleni because of ku-Kaizer Chiefs and how people perceive you. Ukwazi nje ukutona down and then ubekezele everything that comes with you playing for i-Kaizer Chiefs. So ivala-ke, sobona ukuthi abantu bazoba ngakhi laphana eThekwini abazobukela i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana ebusuku, but yeah, the people of eThekwini, they love i-Kaizer Chiefs. I remember yibo babe-frustrated abantu baseThekwini ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayiwini, bagcine baphula izinto laphana e-stadium namakhamera because they love the team so much. Even njalo i-Kaizer Chiefs maya laphana eThekwini kuba i-sort of event, because they wait for i-Kaizer Chiefs ema-stadiums, they check ukuthi bakuphi abafana, they show uthando ngempela olu-serious for i-Kaizer Chiefs. So kulele kubo-ke bona i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bazokwazi ukuperformela ama-fans, bawajabulise, bangafocus kakhulu. Well, i-brand yabo bafocuse kuyo kakhulu because that's where they make most of their money, but-ke bangawakhohlwa ama-fans because ama-fans yiwo aletha yonke le success ekhona in terms of imali nanokuthi ama-brand deals because of ama-fans. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.